Welcome to our channel. If you want to improve mobile data speed on your Mac when using a hotspot or tethering, follow these simple instructions to optimize your connection. Step 1. Ensure your iPhone or mobile hotspot is connected to your Mac via Wi-Fi or USB for the best possible speed. Step 2. On your Mac, click the Wi-Fi icon in the menu bar and disconnect from any other networks to prioritize your mobile hotspot. Step 3. On your iPhone, go to Settings, select Personal Hotspot, and toggle on Maximize Compatibility to improve connection stability. Step 4. Place your iPhone closer to your Mac to strengthen the signal and reduce interference. Step 5. Close unnecessary apps and browser tabs on your Mac to free up bandwidth and improve data speed. Step 6. Disable automatic updates and cloud syncing services like iCloud and Dropbox to prevent them from consuming mobile data. Step 7. Open System Preferences on your Mac, select Network, and select your mobile hotspot connection. Step 8. Click Advanced, go to the DNS tab, and add public DNS servers like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS for faster data routing. Step 9. Restart your Mac and reconnect to your mobile hotspot to apply the changes. Step 10. Run a speed test to verify that your mobile data speed has improved. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.